inside the Niger Delta.
More Bayelsans have continued to endorse the ambition of Mr. David Lyon, governorship candidate of All Progressives Congress APC at the November 16 governorship election in Bayelsa State. Correspondent Chika Obodozie takes a look at the groundswell of support for the APC governorship candidate ahead of the gubernatorial election in Bayelsa State.
Before this time, the opposition All Progressives Congress APC was uncertain about victory at the November 16 governorship election in Bayelsa State. With the emergence of David Lyon as his governorship candidate, however, the APC is now confident that it has altered the existing political equation in Bayelsa State.
In the past, it used to be just PDP. If anybody emerges as the flag bearer of the PDP, it is sure that that person is going to be governor of the state. But with the emergence of David Lyon, you see how all other political structures in the other parties are collapsing. You see the mass movement of people coming into the APC just because they know that the problem, the solution that they've been looking for, they found it in the man, David Lyon.
He's a very, very unassuming young man. He talks little, but his action speaks more for him.
David Lyon, an oil magnate who enjoys immense goodwill for his unrivaled philanthropic activities in Bayelsa State, is described by his critics as a political neophyte. His supporters, however, contend that he is a change agent on a rescue mission in Bayelsa State.
Over the years, we have been crying for a good salvator, and this guy, this David Lyon of a person, is the one that will going to salvage Bayelsa people. Making him the governor will be the best thing for Bayelsa people.
David Lyon is a young man filled with vigor and strength to represent the youth and the rural populace any day, anytime, anywhere. A man with a lion heart, a man that has come to release the blessings withheld by the PDP government.
As a private citizen, David Lyon has, through his foundation, touched the lives of thousands of Bayelsans with the award of scholarships to indigent students, support for widows and the physically challenged. His company, Dalon Security Limited, has also provided jobs for thousands of Bayelsa youths who are currently off the streets. For other non-partisan Bayelsans, the November 16 governorship election will be the day of reckoning for the APC and PDP.
Inside the Niger Delta.